Feeling ka na nung nag-situation.
Talaga ako makagalaw, kaya natatawa na lang.
Oh, Mark. Mark spoke in a different way as well. His Tagalog was like, I've never heard anyone speak like that.
Oh, true.
Basta sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo. Yeah, that's how it's me.
bro.
Bro. Crazy.
When he's losing. When he's about to lose. Tapos he earned the point. When you lowered his point here, you're like, what are you doing? Oh, I remember that. Bro. I miss Mark. Me too.
Even Kanata. She was always like, sabihin mo, maganda.
Maganda ako. Ngit mo. Lagi siyang gano'n. Ngit mo. Tapos gagano lang siya kay Jaren. Papasabi na maganda ka. Tapos pag sinasabihan siya na, maganda ka, gagano siya.
True.
Pero 1 year lang pala difference yun.
Yeah,
When
I
I
also
look
feel
at
like that.
Kanata, it feels like she's 13.
Yun nga sabi ko.
I feel like she's such a baby.
Diba? Baby.
Pero hindi siya naniniwala.
Oh, hindi siya naniniwala. Siyempre, gano'n naman yan. As in, sobrang parang, 1 year lang gap niyo, pero
Doesn't
parang
feel like
parang
that.
baby si Kanata.
When I first saw Kanata, she looked so different she looked older.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siyempre sa makeup.
And I was just like, because she was just smiling. I said, does she speak Tagalog or even English? I thought she spoke like Portuguese.
Or
I thought she was
Arabic.
Brazilian.
First time ko siya nakita, naka-sit down lang siya nung dumating ako.
Nung ano,
So I didn't know how short or tall she was. But sabi ko, Brazilian yung mukha.
naalala ko pa yung unang pasok natin, Jark. Ganun-ganun kami. Oh, daming design ah. Daming design.
Yeah, imagine this
Yung may
was...
pinakauna, nasabi ko, graduate lang, naiihi na talaga ako. Pumasok agad ako. Ako nagbinyag ng CR natin eh.
Because when I went in, I thought it was bigger.
Which?
I thought there was more on the
Yeah.
other side. I was like, what's going on over here? And I was looking and said, oh. But these were still closed, so we had no idea what. I thought the bedrooms went this way, not that
Ako
way.
akala ko ito yung bedroom.
Huh?
Akala ko dito lalagay yung bedroom.
No, I mean, when you came in the bedroom, I thought like the bedroom went this way.
Ah,
I didn't know that it went this way and this way. I didn't know what to expect, actually. But when I saw that, oh, I was so happy.
First time ata na Coke.
Who drank Coke first? You.
Yeah.
I was like, I'll do it if you do it.
Yeah, I was always doing the first thing.
Except
You
sa
did, you
pool.
did it with
Except for the
Therese.
pool. Who did that? Therese.
Therese, yeah. Because you were like, Ma, I'm not gonna do it. And then si Therese was like, eh. Bawal pa ba? Actually, hindi kasi Mark yung una dun. Therese.
tinamaan din ako ni Mark nung sa pool eh. Tumalon, tinamaan yung ulo ko.
I was like, yeah. Only mukha ko. Oh, okay, Mark.
Oh, Mark just kept jumping around.
That was actually so funny. I know. I kind of felt bad.
Colette was the first in the confession room.
Yeah.
When?
Oh.
Colette.
Never
The first
mind. I
person
did
in the
not.
confession room, I'm pretty sure.
Oo, kasi masakit siya niya nun.
Yeah.
Hindi, kami ni si Kuya Briggs first. Kami nagsabi kay Kuya na masakit yung tiyan ko. Kaya pumasok siya.
That was a long night.
Yeah.
Oo.
I just
I think
wanted
si
to
Kuya Briggs
I just wanted to sleep.
And si Pat. And then me.
We
Oh, I
didn't
still
even shower
remember the
that
first
night.
time I heard that.
We didn't shower that day.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Di ba?
Ew, yeah. Oh.
Di ba?
Hindi tayo nag-shower. Tapos
Ay,
Joking.
ako lang
Di ba?
si
You left it on the table.
Kuya Briggs and si
Beg
Pat.
ako.
Yeah, so you remember like
shower.
sleeping with a hairnet.
Tapos
Wait.
kinabukasan,
Hairspray.
Why?
umaga,
Kasi kami
hindi
yung
pa rin ako
housemates,
nakapag-shower.
official
Eh,
housemates.
That happened the first
pagpasok ko
that
sa CR,
happened
tapos may
last
shower
time.
call.
We slept with the spray net on.
Hindi tayo nakapag-shower.
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh my gosh.
Gosh, the first week was so
Sa
different.
kwarto, hindi pa pinapataw.
So weird.
And the house was so clean though.
Oh, hirap matulog.
It was empty though. It felt empty.
So,
The counter had nothing. Yeah. Left nothing.
Hindi pa sira yung sink.
Oh, yeah.
Purpose nito na sinira.
Na?
Music.
Ano?
Sinira talaga nito.
Kami nakasira niya. Ay, kayo to.
JP.
Hindi ko na yung naayos, no?
Siyempre, kami may nakasira niya. Paano ayos?
Awad ka nga?
Kaka-18 ko.
but it's also very baby.
He is very busy.
Yeah.
Cannot.
Parang kanata.
Kala ko sinira talaga nito. Para mahirapan maghugas.
Mas mahirap yung dati ginagawa namin. Sinasalok ng gano'n.
Ah, bakit?
Kasi barado.
Ah.
Eh ngayon, binutas na. Si JM nun, hindi nagkasalita. Diyan lang
Can
siya.
you do
Diyan
that?
siya. Tapos nilapitan ko siya. Pero okay ka lang.
Sabi ko, Emo,
Tahimik ka talaga? Hindi. Nag-adjust lang ako. Hindi. Ano siya?
di ba ano, parang,
Sino?
sino nagsabi sa'yo?
How did you know that?
Ako maenga.
I'm starting to
Never
forget.
mind. Never mind.
Like, he was
I
so
know.
quiet.
I still remember how he looked like.
No, but like, I mean, I
Ay,
can
nung
visualize
unang
it
pasok ko
on this
dito, no,
guy.
parang di totoo yung mga
Cooper
tao.
Jam.
Like, can
Dito
you?
matayo?
Hindi, parang di
He's
totoo.
so different.
Ay, dito. Oh,
Bakit?
yeah.
Di, parang ano, parang sa panaginip ko nung unang pasok. So, kung tignan ko ganyan yung mga tao. Diba, nawala yung white ng upuan mo.
Kasi nga,
Hindi ko napansin.
Yung sinabi yan kanina.
Parang
hindi, nakatalikod kasi siya doon kanina.
Hindi, pero nakaano na tayo. Switch. Nandito ka ba talaga?
I swear they took off the
Hindi ko na napansin.
white thing when we were outside.
Yeah, kasi pinasara kay Kai.
Because it was here when we went outside. But when we came back, it was gone.
Mga pala. Kaya pagpasok, parang sumusidyata.
Akala ko tatapusin natin yung 14.
Hindi totoo yung mga tao.
Pabalik-balik.
Ako din. Ay,
I wonder what
papabayaan
it's
sa
like to come into the house, but like you're late and everyone knows each other.
Siyempre, ano,
How does it
parang-
feel?
Ano, parang naisip ko nga kaya. Siyempre, may mga ano sila, banding.
Turn up the volume.
Sobrang hina kaya. Hinahirap na ng bibig niya.
Ano, siyempre, may mga banding na sila. Inisip ko, ang hiya ako hiya ko lumabas Pero kailangan, sabi ko. Yun, yung binuksan na at may task pa. Sabi, pumasok na ako, sa gindilan, sinalubong ko. Ay, sinagupuan na, parang di totoo. Parang ang labo na sa paningin ko pag tinitignan ko kayo. Parang hindi totoo ang mga tao.
Ano kami, cartoon characters?
Oo nga, tapos, yun, sabi ko, tour, sabi ko, di ba sabi niya, tutur niyo ako, di puntok sa labas. Hindi ko paniwala, dito na ako. Yun, parang dito nga totoo yung mga tao eh.
Iba yan ah.
Yun. Saya, tapos yun, nakabadling ko na din. Yung may task lang nahirapan ako.
Nung first night, magkamukha kayo nila.
Ate Joe, sinabi niya,
No, Jar?
JP didn't
I always
understand the
get that.
task after like 2 days.
Uy, hindi ko yan naintindihan ko. Ay, oo, kas slide.
Ano daw? What?
He didn't understand the task after like.
Oh my God.
That's funny.
Nalilito ko eh.
Nilito ako.
Kasi nalilito ko pag ano. Eh, sabi ni Kuya, hindi mo bumalik ako sa confession room. Nakalimutan ko yung gagawin. Yung tatali. Sabi ko, tatali. Kala ko tatabihan lang. Yung pala, sabi ko, bumalik ko, Kuya, ano nga ulit yan? Di ba?
He came, so he was the first one to go out.
Kalimutan ko.
And then we were just sitting there, we were waiting for our turn to go. He came back. He's like, hey, what am I supposed to do?
Nakakalimutan ko na.
JP, anong ginagawa mo pa dito?
Nakakalimutan ko talaga.
They're like, he fully left and then he came back.
Sabi mo,
Andun na siya sa hallway, nakasara na. Binuksan niya ulit.
doon ako sa pinto, bubuksan ko na sana. Nak, kuya, ano nga pa? Kuya, sa bumalik ako. Kalimutan ko ah. Kasi makakalimutan na ako eh.
Jar, di ba? Si Kai tsaka si Therese ng first night, magkamukha.
Yeah?
Magkamukha sila.
I don't remember how I looked like the first night.
I do. You look so different. My first impression of you is so different to my impression of you
Yeah,
now.
you said that to me.
Yeah.
His first impression of me was
Maldita.
Maldita.
Rain was a different person kinabukas.
Rain looks so different on that day as well.
Yeah.
Because you had your hair like back.
True.
My first impression of him, my first impression
I was
of
also
you
shy on the first night.
is not like what he is now.
Sana, naging ganun na ako. Hindi sana ako naging violator.
Si Bensoy, pagkarating tumatalo na gano'n.
No, you've been so even like this.
Di ba nga tayo close eh?
Doon pala, like, gumagano din sila kami, tumatalo niya. Tapos ito, sobrang silent kasi nasa gitna ako nila. Tapos si Vincent sobrang, hawad ka na nga, hawad ka na nga. Eh, bawat kami magsalita.
Oh yeah, you know.
Pero ang dami, tapos excited na ako. Pero naiihi daw siya. Pero tumatalo na siya doon.
Natapos si Bea.
Even Mark was so different. He had this.
Umiyak ka, che. Ba't umiyak?
Why are you crying, yeah?
Sino next?
Ding dong!
Getting, Kuya Pat.
Anong ding-dong lang? Ding-dong
Magaman.
lang.
Can you actually
Ding-dong
try?
lang, ding-dong lang.
Ding dong, Kuya Ding dong.
Ikaw daw, confession room.
Kuya Ding dong.
Yes. Yeah, ding-dong lang.
Oh, it's gonna be a long night.
And it's gonna be a long night.
Bukas pa yun. Pwede mo matulog eh.
It's all good on. I actually don't mind. Because at night, I can't even sleep. I mean, I can, pero...
Ako rekta tulog. Hindi na tulog agad ano. Pagka gano'n ako na, tulog na agad. Alangan. Ako gano'n pa ako.
Do you say it? Fiang?
Tulog talaga.
Alangan?
Parang
Alangan?
si JP, parang nandito.
Do you say
pero
it?
wala. Like, he's physically here. But mentally not.
What's that thing called? It's called lights are on but no one's home.
Hindi na
It means like the lights are on but no one's home.
Hindi pa rin ako paniwala dito na ako.
1 week ka na uwi.
Wala si
No, even me too. It hasn't really like fully sunk in.
Parang,
But now it just
oo.
feels normal.
Parang pinapanood ko lang ito dati ah.
How about you, Fiang? Does it feel normal for you now being here?
Can you press my nails?
That's not why I asked if you had pake or not.
Hindi, wala na. Feeling ko normal na. Relax lang, chill lang.
Chill. That's
Pero pagkakain lang ako, doon ko lang feel.
Na nandito ka.
Oo, pagkakain lang.
pagkakain.
Mag-eat here.
Why there? That's so weird.
Siyempre, lahat ng camera nakatutok.
Sobrang
How
dami
do I
na.
feel the most PBB?
Doon. Doon. No?
I want to see what I look like though.
Labas ka, tingnan mo.
Come on. I want to see like an episode. I want to play an episode of the plasma. So like, well, that's not allowed, I don't think. I know, right? For a reason.
Maybe tomorrow.
You think?
Pwede, bukas.
Good morning, violators. Oh.
Sana hindi na yun yung ano
Do
ka
you
lang.
think the wake up call is gonna be?
Sa'yo na to.
Pagising ko, pagkarinig ka sabi ko,
Ang weird, no? Kasi paniginip ko nasa tubig, parang ano, binaha daw yung Manila, tapos nasa taas ako ng building.
Yeah.
Biglang,
Oh wait, I thought they had cameras in the bedroom. So they're probably gonna film that I woke up.
Hindi ko na ibang ang gano'n.
The morning is not my favorite time of the day. Are you a morning person or night person?
Ako na in person. Oo, baby.
You.
Gumagala ko sa gabi eh. Gagala ko.
Me too. You.
Night.
Rain.
Night.
Night.
Si Josh.
Night or
Depende.
morning?
Day or night.
Night talaga ako.
How about you?
Oh.
Night. Gumagala ako sa gabi, mga ano, maalis ako sa bahay pag tulog na lahat ng tao.
Tumatakas ay.
Wait, say that again?
Pag tulog na lahat, tumatakas ako. Kunin ko yung,
Tumatakas?
oo, kunin ko yung susi.
Do whatever you do.
You're so scary but funny at the same time.
Susi.
Tapos ako na.
May option yun, may option.
Oh.
Ay, ilaw pala. Gate pa nakabukok, sarado pa rin.
Ay, oh.
Buksan mo yung gate, buksan mo yung gate.
Bubuksan ang gate. Huwag muna, park muna. Handbrake. Labas. Ang gate.
Ano ba, ang gate.
Pasok ulit.
Opo.
Okay, drive.
Okay.
Close mo door.
Yeah, you can close the door. You don't
Teka, di pa nga kumalas sa garahe eh. Close na agad eh.
Hindi, yung pinto na sakyan mo.
Dito na
Kayo nga
sila.
pala, no? Tama pa pala sa kita, no? Ayan.
Seatbelt? I didn't see seatbelt.
Hindi rin ako
Hindi nag-seatbelt mga,
Ah, seryoso?
mga Pilipino.
Hindi ako seatbelt.
Ako nag-seatbelt ako.
Ay, seatbelt.
Labas. Labas.
Sa ating gate, oh. Sa ating gate. Ito yung gate eh, oh. Sa ating
Ayun.
I can actually visualize.
Ako na-visualize ko na.
Tapos
Si
may
mama mo
pinto.
lumabas.
Hindi, tulog na yun.
Na-try mo na yan.
Yung gabi-gabi po.
What time do you usually leave?
12.
Hindi
AM?
naririnig yung pag-on ng ano, Montero. Montero ba dala mo?
Yung tahimik yun eh.
Hindi, marinig pa rin.
Hindi, malayong
Diesel, man.
Diesel.
Oh, hindi naman maingay. Minsan pinapark ko sa labas eh, para hindi maingay.
Tapos pinupuntahan mo si Johnny sa Bigo.
Layo ah. Takot ako Tagaytay. Takot ako Tagaytay. Totoo.
Layo ah. Paano pag girlfriend taga-Bicol?
Oo, paano yun?
Layo.
That's a 12-hour
Okay, alam ko
drive.
yun, ganyan.
Video ba?
Bahala sa buhay niya. Sayang ano ko. Nakapunta ko
Eh, bibigyan ka daw niya panggas. Puntahan mo sa La Union.
Yung pagod.
Kapagod mong makatulog pa ako sa daan. Uy, bus na pala. Ang tawag dito.